Today I'm gonna be breaking down Eurusd, and it's Sunday today, so I'm gonna be analyzing this so that I can know what is really gonna happen tomorrow, uh, starting from Monday until Sunday. Okay, so without wasting any time, but not forgetting this, can you please just hit on the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I post a video. So without wasting any time, let me jump on the market. So right now I'm gonna be using what is called top-down analysis, pure price action. Okay, I'm not gonna be using any indicators. I'm gonna explain looking at the way the price is moving. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be uh, starting with a daily time frame to see how is the market running. Okay, so right now I'm gonna try to follow the trend. What we call respecting the trend. I'm gonna be trying to respect the trend because it is very important for a trader to respect the trend. So right now, without wasting any time, let me start with a weekly time frame. So without wasting any time, starting right over here. Okay, this thing looks very interesting. So I'm gonna be making this low. I'm gonna be making this low, making this high again. Okay, and looking right over here, you can see that there is a break of structure right over here. There is a break of structure, and there was a change of character right over here. Okay, so right now I have this low and I have this high. So looking at this high, you can see that there was a supply zone that was formed right over here. Okay, so supply zone that was formed right over here. So one of the and then and the supply zone that was left, was this one. But instead, the price, instead of reacting to this zone and continue going down, it did what? It broke and closed above with a high momentum. Okay, so it shows me that the price, it might have high probability of coming to the zone. So going up with this high momentum, it left what? It left what we call a flip zone. Okay, this is my flip zone. Why am I calling this a flip zone? I'm calling this a flip zone because the price was not even able to come to the zone and react so that it can continue going down. It did what? It broke and closed above with a high momentum. So I'm expecting that maybe the price can come to this zone and retest so that it can continue going to the upward direction. Okay, so look here again. You can see that the price. I'm gonna start right over here. You can see that there was a break of structure right over here. There was a break of structure right over here, and the price was able to come to the price was able to come to the demand zone. Okay, so the price was supposed to make a new high. Okay, so the price was supposed to make a new high, but instead the price is swept the liquidity of this high. Okay, it swept the liquidity. So after sweeping the liquidity, the price, it failed to make a new high. Instead, it reversed to do what? To break this low. So breaking this low shows me that maybe the price, it might have a chance for it to go down. So I'm gonna be marking some supply zone that I expect that the price is gonna come to those zones, and so that it can reverse going down. Okay, so the supply zone that I have right now is this one. This is the first supply zone that I have. Why am I choosing this supply zone? I'm choosing that supply zone because this candlestick was able to sweep the liquidity of that candlestick that I'm making. Okay, so right now I have an image of what might really happen on the coming week. Okay, so right now I'm starting to create an image. I'm starting uh to make an image of what might happen next week. Okay, so right now I'll have to drop down to my I'll have to drop down to my 4 hour time frame. So dropping down to my 4 hour time frame, the price was able to break right over here with a high momentum. So what you have to keep in mind is that if the price is breaking the low with a high momentum, there's high chance for the price to just continue going down, to make a retest so that it can continue going down. Look right over here. You can see that the price, it broke this high with a high momentum, but the price just continued going high with a high momentum. Look how the price went up. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen right over here. So looking right over here, I'm gonna be making this. Firstly, I'm gonna be making this. This thing I'm gonna be making as my order flow. Okay, I'm gonna make this fair value gap. Okay, so the price, it might have a high probability on reversing on the zone. Why am I saying that? I'm saying this because you can see that this is my order flow. After making order flow, I made this fair value gap. I measured this fair value gap with a Fibonacci, and my three levels are falling on this uh near this fair value gap. I mean near this order flow. Sorry for that. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking for for key level. Where is the key level falling into? Go. Looks like my key level is gonna fall on this zone. This is my key level. Okay, there's a key level right over there. Okay, so right now I'm expecting that the price is gonna react to the zone and continue going down. So if my price does not react to this zone, what am I expecting? I'm expecting that maybe the price can go a little bit up. So I'm not expecting that maybe the price can reverse on some zones right over here. Why am I saying that? Because you can see that the price right over here, it shows sign of losing momentum. Okay, so like after showing these signs, the price, it did what? It went up with a high momentum. Okay, so I'm gonna be making this thing as my liquidity. Why am I making this thing as a liquidity? Because you can see that the price, it slowed down on this area. So slowing down on this area, most of the traders were able to execute their trades on this area. Okay, so which means their liquidity is falling on this. I'm gonna be making this thing as my liquidity zone. Okay, so let me adjust this thing. I'm gonna be adjusting this thing to this. Okay, so if my price fails to react on the zone, I'm expecting maybe the price can break above, retest, maybe it can continue until it reaches the zone. Okay, but let me drop down to my 1 hour time frame, see how is the price move, and let me find if I'll find the supply zone now. So right now, what I'll have to see next week is to wait for the market to come to the zone and give a little bit of rejection. If the rejection it gives me proof that the price is gonna continue going down, then I'll be ready to take some trades on Monday. But I will see how the price is gonna move tomorrow. Uh, if needs me to wait, I'll have to wait for Tuesday so that I can be safe. Okay, so right now marking here, I'm gonna be like this, and yeah, and the target is gonna be my target is gonna be on the zone. The trade seems like it's gonna be a long trade. This is what I'll be waiting for. So if my price decides that it is gonna break above whatever what I will be waiting for, I'll be waiting to see the price uh breaking and retesting, and here I'll have to make a tight stop loss. Okay, and that's the same thing that but I don't trust that the price is gonna break up. I have a feeling that the price is gonna reverse here and continue going down. Okay, so this is the end of my video, and what I have to do is just click the subscribe button, like, share, and have a profitable week. Thank you for watching.